In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to remove Apple Watch from your iCloud account. If you want to remove your Apple Watch from your Apple ID account for selling or for giving away or fixing pairing issues, you will need to unpair it from your iPhone. This also turns off the activation lock. Let's see how to unpair Apple Watch from your iPhone. First of all, make sure to keep your iPhone and your Apple Watch close together. And then on your iPhone, open the Watch app and select My Watch. From My Watch, tap on All Watches. And here, tap on this info button next to the Apple Watch that you want to remove from your account. In here, scroll down all the way to the bottom and just tap on Unpair Apple Watch. And then enter your Apple ID password. This removes it from your iCloud account. And after doing that, if you want to erase your Apple Watch, let's see how to do that. After unpairing, the Apple Watch will automatically erase itself. But if you don't have the paired iPhone, let's see how to erase our Apple Watch. On your Apple Watch, press this crown to go to your app library. In app library, open the Settings app. In Settings app, you have to find out General Settings, then tap on General. Under General Settings, scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on Reset. And here just tap on Erase All Content and Settings. And that's how you can just go ahead and erase your Apple Watch. Thanks for watching.